guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be playing some Teardown. See a little town over there. Yeah. But Teardown, I love this game. It's all about destruction and shit, and it's just amazing game. But today we'll be going to the city, maybe destroying it. We'll see what happens. Maybe leaving it alone. Oh god, it's hard to control. Good. Not that much. No. Too bad. We're fine. Oh. I have an idea. Oh, that looks cool. Yes, I do have some mods. I'll be using them today. Some of them. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. Idea what I could do in here. Oops. I have an idea. If I could find it. Just saw some gas everywhere. Why not? Oh, just a little gas leak, not that much. Just a little gas leak everywhere. Okay, that should be good. Let's light it. Oh, there we go. And lag. Yep. Oh no, it's all on fire now. I just love Teardown with its kind of normal physics. It's just so peaceful. If you're ever feeling stressed, you could just literally go into this game and just destroy stuff. And it's very fun. That's what it says. What? Oh, I missed it. Well, I think we're done with this gas station. We're done with that gas station, I guess. Hello? Anyone here? No one's in here. This room is kind of cold. Let's turn let's make it warmer a bit. Yeah, that should be good enough. Oh god. Oh no. Close that. Oh, leave the house. Uh-oh. Better. Oh god. Uh-oh. Oh no. I gotta out of here. I gotta go. Let me grab a truck. Oh god. I better get out of here before I get in trouble with this. Let's go! This is really on fire. Super slow. Let's make it a bit more faster, I don't think. Yeah, there you go. Like 1 mile faster now. No! No! Reverse! 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 No, not forward! Reverse! No! Damn it. I'm fine. This is taking forever. Oh. Oh, it's gone. Oh! Come on, first, down. freezing. No, come here, please. Oh god. You can sink. And you go away. Oh, that house is really on fire. Alright, what is this place? Oh, it's a hotel. Just get in here. See, you can't see. I'm friendly. Let's close the door. Ah, whatever. Gonna play a little funny prank on the VIP. Where's the VIP's room? Is this the VIP? No, it's not a VIP. There is one room. Hey. There's a phone. Oh, it's an iron. Oh, that's so cool, actually. Where's the VIP room? Oh, there it is. No funny prank on the VIP. Okay, this can be that stink bomb. This one time is gonna be so smelly. Oh, come on, go down. No, I couldn't detonate it. Prepare to stink. Oh, that was a bomb. Oh god. Oh that was a bomb, not a stink bomb. And I just remembered, gun stores don't sell stink bombs. They sell guns and bombs. Hey, the other half is alright, so they could probably just grab the remains and repair it. Yeah, they'll be fine. Nice statue. I'm stealing the statue now. Where are you? Oh. Stealing it. Okay. Ah, I was gonna use that truck. Whatever. Oh. They'll still take it. Alright. Let's go! Yeah, I got my sting. A bar? Oh, I want a bar. If I can open the door. There we go. Alright. Hello, people. Yeah, I learned this little trick. Okay, so, fire chest. So, see, this is a milkshaker, right? Not milkshaker, but a thing. Alright, let me open the door. It's kinda hot in here. Yeah, it's kinda hot. But yeah, right? And I replace this thing which will shake it for you. I need to get air. Right? And see, it shook it for you. It worked. Oh. No evidence can be left. You know, just here's a lesson. If you that's the word I'm looking for. If you ever blow out someone, just burn it, and they'll think it was a wire issue. Let's see what. Ooh. Oh, that's a weak truck. Whatever. Oh, ah. Please move. there's actual stuff in here. There's not in here. These are just such old. Wait, is there something in these? Oh, oil! No, iron. Water, I think. I hope. Alright, cool. Oh. Uh-oh. I have an idea. And they fired me. They just fired me from this place. So, I'm just gonna... Put these around. Alright. Yeah. Let's see how they like it. Yeah. Never come back to this place ever again. Reason? Reason why I'm never coming back? Because it's probably gonna take probably more than a year to fix this place now. Screw it. Let's make it longer. Move! Move barrels! Oh, okay, I want to place 10. Let's go. Kaboom! Come on. God, the fire's spreading quite fast. Kaboom! Oh, that kind of hurt me. Oh! It's there! Let's go, did my job. Yeah, make all fire. I think it's time to go home. There's my beautiful home. Not this ugly. Not this ugly thing. My home. Not my garage as well. This is my home. A nice car. Yep. Alright, let's make something. What about the fridge? Open the fridge? No, just gonna try and grab something out of it. Oh, I don't know what this is, but I think it's a steak. Okay, that should be good. I'll watch the TV. Ow! Okay. Oh, my house! No, I need to rebuild it. I died. I think I died from fire. Oh, God, the gas station. Oh my God. This house has been burnt. Oh my God. Damn, this house really burned. How do we get back? Oh. Screw poster and stuff. 50% off. Oh yes. Yes. Take this. I want that. I want this. Ooh, why not a blue blender and a red blender. Oh, let's take another red blender right now. Yellow blender. Oh. Who cares? They're probably gonna die. It's a detonator. Oh, it's a pump. Need that. Let's look at this. Put it over there. Yeah, just pick it up all later. Oh no! What did you just drop? I'll take knives. Let me take this. What look like a drumstick. Let me take that. I'll take the table as well. I'm gonna take this as well. I don't know what this is, but I want it. I want that. Whoever's buying it's mine now. I don't care if you're saving it for someone else, just taking it, everything. I want this sign. I want it. Fine. I want the cash register. Take this. Take the table. Take all the tables. I want a table. I don't know what these are, but I'll take it. Look at Bunsen burner. I don't know what this is, but I'll take it. Oh, I'll take the sale 50% sign. Looks like a TV. It's fine. Yeah. Oh, I want the light. Okay, no. I don't know what these are, but I'll take them. Go out the window. Take that, and take that. No! No! Whatever. I don't need it. Then we go in the back. Of course I want this. I want this. Don't know what it is, but it's 50% off. Knives! I don't want knives. Yeah, I'm gonna bring them a little gift. Got it. Got a little gift. Alright, store people here. I'll leave in the back for you. Have fun with your gift. What is it? It's electric ball. You know the electric balls? Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah. Sorry for your windows, but one window. It's time to go home. Oh, the bar burnt down bad. Oh god, the bar. Oh no. Oh, cafe. It was cafe. Oh, they took the. Oh no. I hope the cafe survives. I would say the cafe survived. Oh, there's water. Oh. My stuff! Move table! No! We said this is saved. Is this still saved? Cash register, that's good. I don't even know what that is. Yes, this is saved, whatever this is. Screw you, store. Ah. I'm gonna go to cafe. Should be still intact. There's no cafe. Why is everything knocked down here? Oh. Oh, this is a lovely one. Oh, TV. I think it is. Ow. I'm going to the attic. I'm gonna take the ladder with me. Okay, it didn't work. What is this? What is this guy behind hiding? Alright. I want that. Come here. I want it. I don't want it anymore. Let's just. There you go. I'm helping my neighbor clean. He has termites, he told me. So I'm helping him clean. Alright, perfect. Kill tank me later. Oh, my house. I forgot about my house. Oh, that's not my house, though. I think something got burnt. Oh, wait, is this? I think I burnt. Whoa, it's still burning. What? Yeah, I'm still burning. I'm gonna take this truck to my home. It's my truck now. They can't do anything about it. Oh god. Let's take. Oh god, this house really got burned. No, not my house! No, my house! What happened? Oh, why don't you find my house? Thank god my car's still intact. My car's most important. Oh my god, those pesky people with bills. they done this. Just 100%. I didn't burn, like, explode something in my house or burnt it. What is this? No. Fire in the hole. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Huh. Frustrum. I have an idea. What's that? What's right name? Oh, I have an idea now. What is it? Could have probably just left them. I could have probably did wrong. Rust. Oh, there you go, rust. Now it's rusty. What? You not blow up? You like run down? Can you even explode? Oh, you can't. Yeah. But oh, I shouldn't be. It's so hard. A digger. Alright, let's destroy this building. Oh, this is actually pretty good. Be satisfying. Okay. Good. Just ignore that, like, 5 seconds of silence I was just doing. Yeah, let's do it. Come on. Yeah, oh god, my truck was rising. Oh, there's a bunch of explosives in there. Let's see if I can hit one. Climb! Come on! I know what's in my way. It's this thing. This machine. Let's do it! Come on, come on! Come on, I can hit it! Oh, come on. I can make it, come on. I hit it. I just literally hit it. Come on, I'm hitting it. Yeah! I did it. I saved the world. See, these people are trying to like blow up this whole entire town, I guess. But I saved the town. Oh, okay. Hey, let's fly it real quick. Let's fly. Oh my god. There's a nightclub? Ah. What's in here? 9. Yeah. I made it to work. Take that. Pick that up. Come on. I got it. This thing is very control. No. Sucks! Oh, the train crashed, oh no. Let's just destroy everything. I don't care anymore. Let's just destroy everything. That thing flew. Well. Oh no, there's a bridge. No, the bridge. Oh, thank you. I think. I guess that does it for this video. Well, guys, I think this does it for this video. Jesus. But I think it does it for this video. Oh, I should have used this. I should have used this before. Anyways, yeah, I think that was this video for this video now. So if I would recommend this game to a lot of people if you're feeling stressed or whatever. Would recommend it. Very good. You just see me destroy a bunch of stuff. You can get mods obviously, but this game is amazing because it's just amazing on so many different levels. I don't even have to explain it. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you ever want more Teardown, like the video or comment, subscribe, whatever, and I'll do more. So I guess I'll see you guys later. Oh, look at that go. That's a good way to end the video. Well, anyways, bye bye.